Hey guys, it's Mike with Soul Designs here to give you a quick overview of our first-gen Camaro rear seat delete package. There's a couple things that you want to know if you're thinking about buying one of these. Wanted to give you all the heads up of what's included and what you should be looking out for. First thing you're going to see here is the base plate. The base plate will come as a bare aluminum panel. It's been laser cut, pre-drilled, and formed, ready to install. The reason that we don't sell this to you with carpet already on it is because there are different floor configurations in first-gen Camaros. The standard floor that we see a lot and the floor that you get when you replace your floor has a smaller transmission tunnel, which looks a lot like this. So the floor is actually smaller than some of the earlier model cars or different manufacturers. So because it's a lot harder to add material, we give you the most material so it's capable of fitting the smaller floor first. We also include some templates that allow you to make the cutouts here that you can see are much different than this if you do have the floor with the bulges in it. So the reason we don't sell it to you with the carpet already installed is that would make it a mess if you needed to trim the panel to fit your floor. So basically you just take your seat out, ID which floor you have, test fit the aluminum panel, make sure everything's good, and from there, if it's good, you wrap it in the carpet and bolt it all in. You're also going to get the brackets that we can show you being installed. These bolt to existing holes inside of the car. One thing that you'll need to look out for is some of the rear seat lower brackets, the hooks that your seat goes into. Some of them are straight, others are trapezoidal, and the sides are angled. If you look in the hardware bag, we are going to include spacers that are angled that will allow you to bolt this to the angled version as well. If it's straight up and down, you can discard those, you won't need it. We also have the carbon version and the fiberglass version. So the carbon version is going to come in a raw out of the mold epoxy carbon fiber. It does not have clear coat on it the way we sell it. We don't know what different people are going to want to do with them, so the standard version is just going to be epoxy. If you want us to do a clear coat on them, that is available at additional cost. The fiberglass ones will come in a gloss black gel coat. If you want them to be painted, that can be done at additional cost. We can make them a satin black body color. You can do them body color X with different color recesses, whatever you want to do, but that is additional cost. So we can probably jump right into some cut shots here that'll show you this actually being installed in the car. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a better understanding of how the rear seat delete works. If you guys would like one, just either give us a call, let us know, or you can also order them online. If you're local and want to come by and check it out, happy to show you one, and we can also do the install for you if you don't want to tackle it.